I have been growing fruits and vegetables for many years. And our garden harvest, I have purple Oscar mustard.
I have the greens.
And it's crunchy too. Just like about. And for vegetables, I love to use raised garden beds because the soil stays like loose, like this one, compared to like when you plant on the ground, the soil becomes compact. So even if you add like new soil or soil amendment, over time they tend to get like really like packed, so the plants would struggle, like the vegetables would struggle. The fruit trees are fine. The fruit bearing trees thrive very well when planted on the ground, but with vegetables, they love to be on raised garden beds like this one. This is my favorite. This is like 4x4 and it's very easy to put together. You just put the post and then you just insert the plants. I'll show you some clips when I put them together. And just put all the way, and I'll put this on this side like that. So this forms another post. So with raised garden beds too, you can control the moisture. So some vegetables, they like to be dry, and then others, they want to have like more of like moist soil. So it's easy to control with like the raised garden beds. If you are new to gardening and plan to plant some vegetables, go check out some garden beds like this one. I am going to tag some options below. These freckles and freckled lettuce are colorful.